Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to create a lead magnet in your Wix website. So it is very easy, you just need to add a button and then update that button where you want the lead magnet to redirect you to a different link. So for example, we just need to click on Add Elements here on the sidebar, and then we will go to Button, and then you can find some different buttons right here that you can input to your website. And then, for example, I want this button right here, and then I will drag and drop it into the website. Then now we have our button present in our website. So you can design this if you want. You can change the format of this. If you want to change the design of the button, you can do so as well. If you want to customize it even further, you can change the background, you can change the font style, you can change the font size, and so on and so forth. And then to create our lead magnet, let's just double click on our button. But you can also click on the settings button right here. And then you can choose if your button is displaying the text and icon, the icon only, or the text only. So let's just go with the text and icon, and then we'll change the label of our button to be, for example, lead magnet. And then if you want to change the picture, you can do so as well. You can just click on replace icon, and then you can choose some images from Wix, or you can upload your own picture. And then for links, this is where we'll put our lead magnet link. Let's just click on this one. And then now we can have different options where we want our link to be redirected. For example, we want it to have a web address. You can just paste your web address right here. Like for example, I just put in youtube.com, and then once I click on done, then our lead magnet button is now completed. For example, we click on preview, and then we can now see our lead magnet button in our website. So let's just click on this, and then it will lead us to youtube.com. But then if you want to change the link of your website, let's just double click on it again, and then click on settings, and then go to these links, and then change your desired lead magnet link. And then I hope you learn how to add your own lead magnet in your own Wix website. And then thank you for watching this video.